Hello everyone, welcome to my online prep. As the dates for JIIB exam has been announced for May 2021, my online prep brings you 12-week JIIB study plan for cracking this exam. Thousands of students have already cracked their JIIB exam just by following this study plan. With this study plan, you will be capable of self-evaluating your performance and measuring progress on daily basis. Let's have a quick look at our study plan. You can also download this 12-week JIIB study plan in PDF. The link is given in the description below. This study plan will help you cracking in all the three exams being held on 2nd of May 2021, Paper 1, Principles and Practice of Banking, 9th May 2021, Paper 2, Accounting and Finance for Bankers, 16th May 2021, Paper 3, Legal and Regulation of Banks. You can also visit our website www.myonlineprep.com and download our app from Google Play Store. You can subscribe and press the bell icon for more informative videos for helping you cracking this exam. Let's start by understanding the types of questions and the marks allocation for the JIIB exam. Students, in May 2021 exam, there would be 120 questions carrying 100 marks in each paper. You will be allotted 2 hours and there will be different type of questions. There would be objective type questions, fill in the blanks, true and false and matching. 70 questions will be of 0.5 marks each. 35 questions would carry 1 mark each and 15 questions would carry 2 marks each. We will make you understand about the marks-wise weightage and the module-wise importance of each module of JIIB, Principles and Practices of Banking, Accounting and Finance for Bankers, Legal and Regulatory Aspects of Banking. Let's start first with module-wise marks weightage in PPB. There are 49 chapters in this subject. The 49 chapters have been divided in 5 modules. Each module has its own weightage of marks. Module A of Indian Financial System, consisting of 11 chapters, will contribute to 20 to 25% of the marks. Module B, Functions of Banks, consisting of 19 chapters, will contribute 30 to 40% marks of the exam. Module C, Banking Technology, consisting of 5 chapters, will contribute to 5 to 15% marks of the exam. Module D, Marketing of Banking Services or Products, have 9 chapters and will contribute to 10 to 15% marks. Module E, Ethics in Banking, is having 5 chapters and will contribute to 5 to 10% of the examination marks. Accounting and Finance for Bankers, AFB. This is the second subject for JIIB. There would be total 27 chapters in this study book, consisting of 4 modules. Module A, relating to business mathematics and finance, will contribute to 30 to 35% of the marks in the examination. Module B, related to principles of bookkeeping and accountancy, consisting of 7 chapters, will contribute to 20 to 25 to 30% of the total marks weightage. Module C of Final Accounts, consisting of 7 chapters, will give a weightage of 20 to 25% marks in the paper. Module D of Banking Operation, consisting of 8 chapters, contributes to 10 to 15% of the total examination paper. Third subject is Legal and Regulatory Aspects of Banking, which consists of 67 chapters, divided in 4 modules. Module A, related to regulations and compliance, consisting of 5 chapters, can contribute about 15 to 20% of the marks in the examination paper. Module B, Legal Aspects of Banking Operation, consisting of 13 chapters, can contribute 30 to 35% marks of the examination paper. Module C, related to banking related laws, consisting of 20 chapters, would consist of 20 to 25% of the examination paper. Module D of this book, that is commercial laws, having 18 chapters, can contribute to 10 to 15% marks weightage of the examination. Let's see what all this 12-week JIIB study plan will bring on the table. This study plan will start from 7th Feb 2021. On this day, we will attempt AFB previous year question November 20. Then, on each day, you can start with covering of important topics by going through the study material and the practice question sets. Each day, we would be covering topics like interest and annuity calculation, yield to maturity, capital budgeting in the first 6 days. Continuing with the same, in the next 6 days, that is from 14th Feb till 20th Feb, following topics will be covered: depreciation and its accounting, foreign exchange arithmetic, definition and scope of accounting standards, basic accountancy procedures, and maintenance of cash, subsidiary books, and ledger. Parallelly, we would also be covering various chapters of Module B of AFB. Starting with 21st of Feb till 27th of Feb, we would cover following topics of study material and practice question sets of maintenance of cash, subsidiary books and ledgers, bank reconciliation statements, trial balance, rectification of errors, capital and revenue expenditure, bill of exchange. At the starting of week 4, we would be covering following topics of paper 2 AFB. Starting with 28th Feb, covering till 6th of March, we would make you understand about the bill of exchange, balance sheet equations, final account preparation, ratio analysis, final accounts of banking companies. During week 5, commencing from 7th March, we will cover final accounts of banking companies, company accounts, banking operations and operational aspects of KYC, accounting entries, cash handling, deposit and loan accounts, and other related topics. We will go through the study materials and practice question sets. And after that, on 13th of March, we will analyze previous year paper November 20, and we will also attempt a full-length mock test number 1. Similarly, for paper 3 LRB, in the 6th week, we will study from LRB previous year question paper of November 20 on 14th March. From 15th March onwards, we would start covering various chapters of Module A along with study materials and practice question sets. From the 7th week, commencing from 21st of March, we would cover chapter number 15 till 39 of Module B and C of LRB. During week 8, we would start with Module D of LRB and covering the chapters 40 to 65. And at the end of this, on 3rd of April, we will analyze previous year question paper and attempt full-length mock test 1 for LRB. In the 9th week, commencing from 4th of April 2021, we would start preparing for paper 1 PPB. First of all, we would attempt PPB previous year question paper November 20, and then from 5th of April till 10th, we would cover whole chapters of Module A and 3 chapters from Module B from the study material and practice question sets as well. During the 10th week, commencing from 11th April, we would complete whole Module B of PPB. which consists of chapter 15 to 30. Commencement of week 11 would count coverage of module D of PPB, chapter 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40 and 41 to 44. We will also start module C of PPB from 22nd of April and would try to complete by 23rd of April, covering all of the study material and related practice question sets. Towards end of April, that is week number 12, we would cover the balance chapters of module E of PPB, chapter number 45 till 49. Students, by 25th of April, we would have covered all the 3 papers along with practice question sets, study material and 3 mock tests, and last but not the least, the previous year question papers of November 20. But we would not stop our learning here. From 26th of April 2021 and till 1st of May, we would be giving you the revisions, the analysis and the full length mock test, which would be as under. We would start by analyzing previous year paper of April 20 and attempting a full length mock test on 26th of April. We would also facilitate revisions of chapter wise mock test of A and B, B and E and C and D from 27th to 29th of April. Along with that, on 30th April and 1st of May, full length mock test number 2, 3 and 4 will also be facilitated. Our proud students have really made us proud by succeeding in these examinations, and we want to create history by making everyone successful in this field. The secret to getting ahead is getting started. We have given you an idea, a thinking to start. Now it's your turn to make a commitment with us to start, to achieve and to succeed. Download our app My Online Prep from Google Play or log into www.myonlineprep.com for various details and helping us to support you achieving the success and fulfilling your dream. You can also download the study plan. The download link is given in the description below. Thank you and keep learning. All the best.